In this session, we are going to discuss derivatives by using Newton's forward or backward interpolation method. The problem given here is find dy by dx and d square y by dx square at x is equal to 51 from the following data. X values 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Y values 19.96, 36.65, 58.81, 77.21, 94.61. We take the x values as x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 and y values as y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Now we are going to find the derivative dy by dx and d square y by dx square at x is equal to 51. Look at the given values. X values are equally spaced. The difference between the x values are 10. For this, we are using either Newton's forward or backward interpolation formula of derivatives. As the given value x is equal to 51 is nearer to the first value x0, we are using Newton's forward interpolation formula for derivatives. Shall we state the formula? Dy by dx is equal to 1 by h into del y0 plus 2u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square y0 plus 3u square minus 6u plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube y0 plus 4u cube minus 18u square plus 22u minus 6 divided by 4 factorial del power 4 y0 plus etc. Here xn is the given x value. The second derivative d square y divided by dx square is equal to 1 by h square into del square y0 plus u minus 1 into del cube y0 plus 6u square minus 18u plus 11 divided by 12 into del power 4 y0 plus etc. What is u here? U is equal to x minus x0 by h. X is the given x value minus x0 is the first x value. What is h? H is the difference between successive x values. Here the difference is 10. So that h is equal to 10. We start with the formula. Here x is equal to xn, that is x is equal to 51. x0 value is 50 and h is equal to 10. Find u. U is equal to 0.1. Now form the forward difference table. We take x as first column and y value as second column. Shall we find the first difference? How to find that? First value y1 minus y0. Then y2 minus y1. Subtract carefully. Then y3 minus y2. Finally y4 minus y3. Shall we find the second difference? For this we are using the first difference of y. Second value minus first value. Third value minus second value. Fourth value minus third value. Every time we subtract the value from its succeeding value. Can you find the third difference? For this we are using second difference values. Second value minus first value. What is the next one? Third value minus second value. Now we are finding the fourth difference. For that we are using third different values. Second value minus first value. We take all x values and all the first values from each column. y0 is equal to 19.96, del y0 16.69, del square y0 5.47, del cube y0 minus 9.23, del power 4 y0 11.99. Take the first derivative formula. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by h. Substitute h value and del y0 del square y naught, del cube y naught, del power 4 y naught and u values. Substitute carefully. We simplify this by using our calculator. Make it carefully. When typing, you type all the terms in the numerator within a bracket divided by all the terms in the denominator within a bracket. Simplify this expression. We get 1.0316. This is the value of the first derivative. Shall we find the second derivative? Take down the formula. Substitute the values carefully. Simplify the expression. We get 0.2303. Let us summarize. From the given data, we form the forward difference table. To find the first derivative at x is equal to 51 for the given value, find u and substitute all the values in the given formula. To find the second derivative at x is equal to 51, we substitute all the values in the formula of second derivative. Simplify the expressions, we get the required solutions.